Deserts are home to approximately 13% of the world's population. A long time ago, some people lived in deserts. The early inhabitants of Australia were Aboriginals. Over 40,000 years ago, they inhabited Australia's deserts. Aboriginal people share stories through their art. While many Aboriginal people now reside in urban areas, some are returning to their traditional desert lifestyle. Tuaregs first resided in the Sahara Desert over 2,000 years ago. Since they wear blue clothes, they are called blue people. Camels are the primary mode of transportation for traditional Tuaregs across the desert. They construct tents made up of wood and animal skin. While some Tuaregs work in cities, many of them own farmland. Bedouin people lived in the deserts of the Middle East and North Africa hundreds of years ago. Bedouins are traditionally farmers. They reside in tents or mud houses. Many Bedouins now work in cities. Some Bedouins create and sell their handmade products. Many people and animals reside in hot deserts. They use several methods to stay cool. Bedouin and Tuareg people wear long clothes to ward off the wind and sweltering sun. To shield their face and head, they use a head covering to shield their face and head from the sun. People in deserts build houses with small windows to keep the interior cool. It protects them from sun and wind. Some homes in the desert are built without any windows. In the daytime, many large desert animals seek out a cool location. Oryxes sit in the shade or dig a cool hole to sit in. Desert lizards are called sand swimmers. These lizards swim beneath the sand to keep cool when it's hot. In the warmest times of summer, some animals like crocodiles, snakes, and frogs hibernate. While other animals, such as desert tortoises, sleep in winter. Deserts are habitats for a wide variety of species, even though living there is difficult. In times of extreme heat, ants and other insects may survive underground. They also lay their eggs underground. Larger animals rely on insects as a food source, hence they are crucial. Arachnids include spiders and scorpions. They catch insects and other small animals with their poison. The ability to obtain water from plants allows many desert mammals to survive without it for days at a time. Likewise, desert jerboas produce water in their bodies when they eat dry seeds and roots. Reptiles in deserts have thick skin, which aids their body in conserving water. While most reptiles rely on other creatures for food and water, desert tortoises feed on plants. Surprisingly, fish can also be found in some deserts. North American deserts have small rivers where pupfish can be found. Deserts are extremely dry environments, but plants can still grow there. Desert plants have unique ways of storing and using water. Cactus are found in abundance in deserts. Because the cactus has large roots, it can quickly collect water when it rains. In the case of a dry spell, it has water reserves in its stem. A lot of cactus species have spikes. The spikes also help to collect water and keep animals away from the plant. The Sahara Desert contains approximately 1,200 different plant species. The welwitschia plant gets its water from fog. The water is collected by the leaves and absorbed by the soil. Then the plant uses its roots to absorb the water. The Baobab tree grows in African and Australian deserts. It can store thousands of liters of water. Some baobab trees are over 9 meters in diameter. People living in deserts can drink the water from this tree. The seeds of numerous desert plants can survive for a very long time in the soil. They blossom and expand quickly when it rains. They eventually perish but leave behind seeds for the following rainy season.